Find the HCF of 24 and 36 by listing of factors. This task asks us to find the HCF by using this specific method, that is the listing of factors method. So how you do this is to first list the factors of 24 and then the factors of 36 and then compare them to find the highest common factor. Let's do that. Solution. First, factors of 24. We have 1 multiplied by 24 to give us 24. We have 2 multiplied by 12 to give us 24. We have 3 multiplied by 8 to give us 24. And then 4 multiplied by 6 to give us 24. That is 24. Our factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. These are factors of 24. Now let's find the factors of 36. Factors of 36. We have 1 multiplied by 36 to give us 36. 2 multiplied by 18, 36. We have 3 multiplied by 12 to give us 36. We have 4 multiplied by 9 to give us 36. And then we have 6 multiplied by 6 to give us 36. Therefore, factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Now that we have listed their individual factors, let us compare them side by side. So let's write them out together. That is 24, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. While for 36, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. So now that we have our factors listed out, let's compare and see what they have in common. You will see that our common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Now, of all these factors that they have in common, which is the greatest one or the highest factor? That would be 12. That is HCF of 24 and 36 equals 12. Now, that is how to find the highest common factor of two numbers by listing of factors. Thank you.